Hi there, it's Elizabeth Ritchie from Ramban and Ritchie Immigration Attorneys. Today is April 7th. It's also World Health Day. I'd like to take a moment to thank healthcare workers around the world and wish you good health. Today, I will be talking about how doctors who have cases from the EB2 category can upgrade them now to EB1. I'm specifically talking about doctors from China or India whose priority dates are not current under EB2, but are under EB1. Those doctors can take that I-140 that they have from years ago and use it in a new filing to capture the old date. So it's important because China right now for EB2 is on September 1st, 2015. For EB2 and for EB1, June 8th, 2017. India, on the other hand, EB2, May 25th, 2009 for EB2 and EB1, May 1st, 2015. So if you have a priority date for EB2 that is now current under EB1, what you can do is file a new I-140 and request that the old I-140 priority date be recognized for this new filing. So the legal standard is different, but often medical doctors meet that standard. And basically, if you can prove that you meet 3 of 6 factors, you can do that upgrade. And what's great about it is you can simultaneously file Form I-45, and your spouse and minor children can as well. And that will give you and your family status, irrespective of a visa. It gives travel authorization and work authorization in a few months. It was taking 100 days more or less before the virus. I'm guessing it's going to be taking a little bit longer than that. But as far as the factors, what I see in the medical context are that the doctor has scholarly works, has judged others, usually as a peer reviewer, that they've made a significant contribution, and that they have showcased their works, usually at scientific conferences. There's been a debate over the years with immigration about what constitutes a showcase. There is the word artistic written in the regulations, but I have won on that issue in the past, that artistic does not have to apply to showcase, that it applies to the word exhibit. So if you've got, for example, presentations, poster presentations, or oral presentations at conferences, you can use it in that category, or you can use it as comparable evidence, which is another thing that immigration lets you do. So that's a great way to get the ball rolling on those cases that are really backlogged. I will get into why we have that backlog and how the visa bulletin works in another video. But today, because it is World Health Day, I wanted to talk about how doctors, especially those from India, China as well, because they are so backlogged, can take advantage of a previous priority date if it's current now under the EB1 context and do an upgrade. Obviously, doctors from other countries can do an EB1 now as well, but the value is tremendous, especially for those Chinese and Indian doctors who have been waiting so long. If you have questions about this or other topics you'd like me to talk about, please send me an email, post, or comment, and I would be happy to answer your question. I hope you are well, and again, thank you all of the healthcare workers, and I wish you well on this World Health Day. Thank you.